today let us start question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. A man bought a computer for rupees 44,100 and after using it for 2 years sold it for rupees 40,000. Find the rate of compound depreciation of the computer. Okay. 44,100 is the initial price of computer. Okay. That means that is denoted by P. Initial price of computer, that means cost price P is equal to rupees 44,100 and selling price after how many years? 2 years. Selling price of computer after 2 years, PT is equal to rupees 40,000 time T equal to time T is equal to 2 years, rate of depreciation R equal to what? Okay. We know that, dear students, what is the formula of compound depreciation? That is PT is equal to P 1 minus R by 100 to the power T, or PT means 40,000, the value of P is 44,100, 1 minus the rate of R, we have to find R divided by 100 to the power T, that is 2, or 40,000 divided by 44,100, 1 minus R by 100 to the power 2. Clear? This and this cancel, or 400 divided by 441 is equal to 1 minus R by 100 to the power 2. 400 means 20, then 41 means 21, whole square of this. Okay. 20 into 20 400 and 21 into 21, that is 441, 1 minus R by 100 to the power 2. This 2 and 2 cancel and remaining 21 is equal to 1 minus R by 100. Clear? Then R by 100 in left side it will be positive, 1 minus then 20 by 200, in right side it will be negative 20 by 21. Clear? And next step, or R by 100 is equal to 21 minus 20 divided by 21, or R by 100 is equal to 1 by 21, or R equal to, by cross multiplication, 100 divided by 21, this is percent. Therefore, the rate of depreciation of the computer, price of computer, that is R equal to 4 whole number 16 divided by 21% answer. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Any doubt here? Now question number 7, 8, 9, all questions are similar to each other. Practice yourself. Okay, if any confuse, there is my mobile number, you can contact any time. Okay, now let us start question number 4, sorry, model number 4. Model number 4. In model number 4, we have to find the time. In model 1, we have to find the value of Pt. In model 2, we have to find the value of P, and in model number 3, we have to find the time. Okay. In question number 1, let us see in the slide. In question number 1, the value of a house is rupees. The value of a house is rupees 2,04,800. If it depreciated 12.5% compounded annually, when will be the value be rupees this? When will be the, after how many years the price of, the value of that house will be rupees 1,37,200. It means that 1,37,200 is the value of Pt. It is denoted by Pt, and the initial value of house is 2,04,800, that is the value of P. Okay, and the rate of depreciation is 12.5%. Then we have to find the time. Here initial value of house P is equal to rupees 2,04,800. Clear? Rate of depreciation, R equal to 12.5%. When will be the value? After how many years? Value of house after T years. After T years, Pt is equal to rupees 1,37,000. How much? 200. Okay, 1,37,200. Then time T is equal to what? Okay, we know that Pt is equal to P 1 minus R by 100 to the power T. Clear? And the value of Pt is 1,37,200, and the value of P is 2,04,800. Clear? 1 minus the R is 12.5 divided by 100 to the power T, or 1,37,200 divided by 2,04,800 is equal to 1 minus 0.125 to the power T. Or okay, by using calculator, $1,37,200 divided by 2,04,800 1,37,200 divide 2,04,800 0.66992185 66992185 is equal to 0.875 to the power t. Okay. We have to make the base are same, 0.875 okay. This means 0.875 to the power 3 is equal to 0.875 to the power t. The base and base are cancelled to each other, then t equal to 3 years. Okay. Therefore, time t is equal to 3 years. This is the answer of this questions. It means after 3 years, the value of house will be rupees 1,37,200. Okay, clear? Okay. Question number 2 and 3 are similar to question number 1. Practice yourself. Okay. Let us start next chapter, population growth. Population growth. Population growth. Population growth. Population growth Pt is equal to population after t years, Pt is equal to P 1 plus r by 100 to the power t. Similar to compound depreciation, this is the formula of population growth. Growth means increase. So, here plus depreciation, that means decrease. So, in compound depreciation the formula in place of here plus, that is there is minus, okay, where Pt is equal to what? Pt means population after t years, population after t years, okay. P means initial population, initial population, शुरू को जनसंख्या, okay, initial population. R growth rate, R growth rate, the rate of population growth, okay, and time t is equal to time. Here Pt is always greater than P, clear? After t years the population is greater than initial population. Okay. Now, let us start question number 1 in model number 1. Remember this formula to find the population after t years, it is easy, P 1 plus r by 100 to the power t, where P means initial population, Pt means population after t years, okay. R means growth rate, T means time, okay. There are 8 questions, I think similar to each other. Now, model number 1, model 1, model number 1, question number 1, okay. The present population of Pokhara is 1,80,000. If the yearly population growth rate is 7%, find the population after 3 years. after 3 years, then we have to find the value of PT. Okay. Present population of Pokhara P is equal to 1,80,000. Okay. Every year the growth rate of population is 7%. प्रत्येक वर्ष 7% को दरले पोखरा को पपुलेसन चाहिँ बढेछ. ग्रोथ रेट R is equal to 7%. Okay. Then after 3 years find the population of Pokhara. Okay. After 3 years, that means time T is equal to 3 years. Clear? Then we have to find population after 3 years. PT is equal to what? PT is equal to what? We know that PT is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power T. Is equal to the value of P is 1,80,000, 1 plus the growth rate is 7% divided by 100 to the power time is 3. Clear? 1,80,000 1 plus 0.07 to the power 3. 1,80,000 into okay. The product of this is 2,20,507.74. Okay. Therefore, population after 3 years PT is equal to 2,20,507.74 छ नि. यसमा डेसिमल आउने बित्तिकै एक स्टेप बढाएर लेख्ने है. 508 it will be increase, okay, in population. If here is 0.1, 0.12, 0.13, then it will be increase in population. Okay. Okay, this is the answer of these questions. Okay. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all questions are similar to each other. Okay. Let us start question number 5. See there, the population of a town increases at the rate of question number 5. The population of a town increases at the rate of 10% per annum. Question number 5. Growth rate R is equal to how many percent? 10%. Population growth rate is 10%. The present population of town is this. Present population, that means initial population, present population P is equal to 67,200. 67,200. What will be the population of the town after 3 years? Time t is equal to 3 years. Population after 3 years, Pt is equal to what? Okay. Similar to question number 1, we know that Pt is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power t, or the value of P is 67,200, 1 plus the value of R is 10% divided by 100 to the power, the time is 3. Clear? Now, you can find yourself by using calculator, then write the conclusion at last. Okay. Now, let us start question model number 2. Model number 2. Model number 2. Question number 1. Okay. The present population of Padampur VDC is 48,400. 48,400. The annual growth rate is 10%. What was the population before 2 years? It means what? The present population is here in this question Pt. Then we have to find the value of what? P. Why? Because we have to find the value of the population before 2 years. Okay. Present population of Padampur P is equal to Pt is equal to 48,400. Growth rate R is equal to how much? 10%. 10%. After 2 years time t is equal to what? Then we have to find the population of Padampur VDC before 2 years. So, time is 2 years. Population of Padampur before 2 years, P is equal to what? Clear? We know that Pt is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 to the power t. The value of Pt is here 48,400, P 1 plus the value of R is 10 divided by 100 to the power, the time t is 2. Clear? Or 48,400 is equal to P 1 plus 0.1 to the power 2, or 48,400 is equal to P into 1.1 to the power 2, or the value of P is 48,400 divided by 1.21. The value of P is 40,000 Therefore, population of Padampur before 2 years P is equal to 40,000. This is the answer of these questions. Okay. Thank you very much. There are 5 questions, all questions are similar to each other. Thank you. Have a nice day. Namaste sir.